Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm unboxing this subscription box from the Super Saver bag. It is an Instagram page where I had gone ahead and ordered my February month's box, and it cost me about 349 rupees for the box with a shipping charge of 50 rupees, and they accepted payments through two modes. One is either a bank transfer or via Paytm. So let's see what's in the box today. I really like the communication with the seller because she was so professional and she made sure that she sent us our tracking number and all of that. And I had gotten the tracking number on the 4th of February and I received my box on the 5th of February. So how amazing is that? Like, she shipped it out so fast and I was really happy about that. So here are all the things that we received. Let's go ahead and open it. There are 5 products in this box and 1 free gift. So let me just show you what all is there in the box. The box also had a free gift and we didn't know what that was going to be because they didn't announce that, but looks like it's this set of earphones and it's a white pair of earphones. That's a really nice surprise. I didn't expect this to be in the box. So the first item I had selected was this pair of earrings. It is a pretty silver with purple and black beads. So we had options to select from 3 to 4 and I picked that. And then I also picked this peacock shaped earrings, which are so pretty, and they will go so well with all your Western and Indian wear. And then I also received this nail art. The next item is this beautiful pair of earrings. Now this is the one that I had selected. There were options that you could choose from and I picked this one in green and black, and it is such pretty earrings. They will go so well on any ethnic outfit, especially a sari or anything of that sort. And the last item in the box was this bracelet wristwatch. So those were all the items in my Super Saver bag for the month of February. I will leave all the details in the description box of where you can order, the link to it and everything.